Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT write longer text. So to make ChatGPT write longer text, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is log into your ChatGPT. So I have the ChatGPT application right here, so we don't have to log in our browser. So you can do this in your desktop or any type of device as long as you have ChatGPT. So here, it's just pretty simple. You place in your topic, which is here for my example, World War II tank history, page 1. So always remember to place page 1 and the corresponding number. So all you have to do is place your topic, then the page. So page 1, as you can see right here, it's gonna write you a really long one, then page 2, then page 3. Then I can actually go on and make page 4 again. So if we want to make it longer, page 5 as usual, and so on and so forth. It's just that simple. As you can see here, it will just continually write whatever it has written about in the past chat. So there you go guys, that is how you make ChatGPT write longer text. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.